Hello everyone, it's me JP from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to lock your Windows computer using a pin. So without further more delay, let's begin. So firstly, just open the settings, and now on the left side you will see here one option, accounts. Just click on it. Now you will see here sign in options. Just click on it. Now just click on this password option. Now click on this add. Now add your password if you have not added a password, and now put a password in. Click on next, click on finish. Now once you have set the password, just click on this pin and click on this setup. Now put the password which you have set right now. Click on OK. Now put your pin. Now retype your pin. Click on OK. So we have set the pin also. So now let us check if we can lock our Windows computer using our pin or not. So on your computer keyboard, just press Win plus L. Now hit enter. Now you will see here you need to put the pin. So just put the pin which we have set. Now you can see after putting the pin we can unlock the Windows computer. So by using this method you can easily lock your Windows computer using a pin very easily. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.